Good morning, Sneha. Welcome to our office.
Good morning, sir. Thank you very much.
Let me show you your workspace.
Okay, sir. I am ready.
You will work on reports and emails today.
I understand, sir.
Please check your emails before starting.
Sure, I will check them now.
Can you print these documents for me?
Yes, sir. I can do that.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. Coffee sounds nice.
We have an important meeting this afternoon.
I will prepare for it.
Please write down the key points.
Okay. I am writing them.
Can you answer the client call?
Yes, sir. I will answer it.
This software helps us manage data.
It looks easy to use.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, I need some help with this file.
I will explain the process step by step.
Thank you for.
You are doing a great job today.
Thank you, sir. I am learning quickly.
Please organize these files by date.
Sure, I will arrange them carefully.
Teamwork is very important in our office.
Yes, teamwork makes work easier.
How are you feeling on your first day?
I feel happy and excited.
Please send the final report before leaving.
Okay, so I will send it soon.
You worked very well today.
Thank you so for your guidance.
See you tomorrow, Sneha.
See you tomorrow. So,
Keep practicing your communication skills.
yes, so I will practice every day.